Don't let winter storms melt in heated billing arguments over snow and ice totals. Through WeatherWorks certified snowfall totals, billing is stress-free, knowing each report is certified by a meteorologist. Explore the details of your storm with a narrative, complete with start and end times. Also, enhance your invoice confidence with our 1/10 of an inch accuracy, all at zip code resolution. With certified snowfall totals, gain access to a customizable database of snow and ice reports. If available, you can even view totals from the previous 2 seasons. We've also given you the flexibility to search by date, location, amounts, and more. Working with seasonable and capped contracts, gain an advantage. We break down seasonable snowfall by event magnitude. We'll even notify you when a user-defined threshold has been met. So sign up for certified snowfall totals today and call 908-850-8600 or find us online at CertifiedSnowfallTotals.com.